Hey, do you want to learn how to install N8N locally on your PC or laptop for free? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, we're going to install Docker Desktop on our PC, and you have to go over here to docker.com. And once you're here, click on the Choose Plan button. It's going to take you over to the pricing page. And we're going to select the Docker Personal. This is $0 per month. We're going to select the Get Started, which is going to take us over to the app.docker.com. On here, first one, which is Docker Desktop, we're going to click on Go to Download, and it's going to take us over to the Docker Docs. Inside here, based on your operating system, select the one which you want. In my case, I want the Windows, so I'm going to click on it. It's going to take us over to the Install Docker Desktop on Windows. You've got these two options. Select the first one, which is going to download this file to our computer. And once it's downloaded, you need to click on it. This .exe file is going to give you a pop-up. You need to select yes on it. Now it's going to give us this configuration. The first and the last one are already selected. Keep it selected. Don't select this middle one. It's not required. Now press on OK on the bottom right. And it's going to start unpacking the files and install this Docker Desktop on our PC. So the Docker Desktop has been installed on our PC, and I'm going to click on the Close button. Now to open it, just click on the Start, and you're going to find Docker Desktop in the recommended, or you can also select it in the search, Docker Desktop. Just type it here and then select this. Open it up. And now it's going to give this agreement, the service agreement. Let's click on accept. Now it's going to ask you to sign in. You can skip this, but I'm going to use the Google sign up or sign in method, which is much faster than the regular email method. So I'm just going to click on the Google sign up. Now, once you're done, it's going to say you're almost done, and it's going to redirect to the Docker Desktop. So I'm going to click on the open Docker Desktop.exe, which is going to take you over to the welcome survey. We're going to skip this, and it's going to start it. So now, as you can see, it's completely running. And on the bottom left, you can see that it's engine running. There's no problems in it. Now, in your case, there may be a problem because I also faced it. There was an error called WSL Unexpected Error. I've made a video on this, so you can check it out at the end of this video. There will be a playlist on the right-hand side. You can check it out from there. It's a very easy fix. You just need to press on Start and then search for PowerShell, run it as an administrator. And then on here, you just need to type in WSL and then 2 times -- which is the minus icon that is next to the plus icon on your keyboard. Now you need to type in update, which is going to check for the updates. And if there's an update, it's going to update it. This is going to help solve that error for most of the people, but if you're like me and you do not have the hyper virtualization active on your motherboard BIOS, you need to enable that. And in order to do it, you need to go over to the motherboard BIOS. You just need to enable the hyper virtualization. And if you want to learn how to do that and how I did it, I'm going to show that in another video, which is going to show up on the right-hand side. At the end of this video, there will be a playlist, so check it out from there. Now let's get back to how to install the N8N on the desktop. So we're going to click on the search on the top. And here we need to search for N8N like this. Now it's going to give us this, the first one, which is N8N IO. So this is the latest one. We're going to click on Run. And as you can see here, it was currently installing it. In the images section on the left-hand side, you just need to click on it. And this is the image that it has downloaded. This is the latest one from N8N IO. Size is 1.24 GB, and we can run it from here. You can also delete this if you want. So let's click on Run, this Run button, this play button. And it's going to give us this. So optional settings. Now it's going to say enter 0 to assign randomly generated host ports. Or you can also type in a port that you want, but I'm just going to type in 0. And it's going to say that do you want to allow public and private networks to access this app. We're going to press on allow. Now it is currently active and running, and you can see that the RAM is being used. The more RAM is being used right now. Before it was 0.77 and now it's like 3 GB. After this, you need to go over to containers like this. And I've got these 3 containers active because I've run the image 3 times. That's why. You can delete the other ones that you don't no longer need. Let's say if we want to use this one, this dazzling black, I'm going to click on this. Now it's going to give us this setup page where you need to set up the owner account. Once you've typed in all the details here, just click on next. And then it's going to give us this customize N8N. You can answer these questions. It's very basic questions, just answer this and then get started. Now it's going to say that you can get the paid features for free forever. So you just need to type in the email to receive your license key, and then you can ask it to send the key, or you can skip it if you want to. Now it's going to send the license key to that email. This is how the email will look like and the license key. I'm going to copy it. Then head over to the usage and plans in the settings. So click on this on the bottom left, 3 dots, go to settings. Now inside here in the usage and plan, we're going to click on the enter activation key. Paste it here and activate. Now it says that your community edition has been successfully activated. And that's it. That's how you can install N8N locally on your PC or laptop for free with Docker Desktop. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And if you want to learn more about this N8N local installation, or if you want more N8N tutorials, it's going to show up in a playlist on the right hand side. So you can check out all my tutorials there. So see you there and bye for now.